Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the error creating a D3 device on the Dota 2 or the launch game error when you try to open up the Dota 2, how you can fix it. Click on the gear icon and go to the your game properties, and in the general you will find the launch option. In the launch option you have to just copy and paste this command. So once you copy the first command, just paste in the launch option and just close the Steam and launch the Steam and then launch the game. This will fix your issue in the 90% of cases. So once you exit from your Steam, then you have to launch it again. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can try the second command. And if second command does not work, then you can try the third command. And I will request you to please copy this command and paste here and just launch the Dota 2. This will fix your problem in the 90% of cases. And if your problem is not fixed after trying all of this command, then you can simply go to the install files and click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your encrypted files or any missing files in your game. You just need to wait for it and then you have to restart your PC. And after that, if your problem is still not fixed, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Here you will see the your Dota 2 game launcher. So my game is not downloaded completely, so I can show you the other game example. Go to the properties of the Dota 2 and go to the install files, go to the browse. Here you will see the Dota 2 game launcher. So right click on the launcher, go to the properties. Now go to the compatibility and check this box of the compatibility mode. And this is very important, and choose here the Windows 8, and this is also very important. Then also check the box of the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Once you run as administrator and try all of the setting, click on the apply, then just launch your Dota 2. I will request you to please close the Steam completely, then launch the Dota 2. This will fix your problem definitely. And if your problem is fixed after this solution, so please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.